Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing good. For me here, I'm doing good. Yes, I woke up very well and I thank God for that. And I hope on your side you are doing well as usual. And if you are not okay, if you are not, maybe if you are sick, maybe I I pray for a quick recovery. Yeah, and if maybe something somewhere on your side is not going as planned, I also pray God will make a way for you. Yeah, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, feel much welcomed. And my name is Helena Shi. Yeah, and this is my YouTube channel. Yeah, and if you are returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to check on me. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking and also commenting on my YouTube channel. Yeah, today, wow, I'm here and I'm planning to go to my kitchen garden. I want to go and do weeding. Yeah, it's a farm day today. I want to go and weed because it has been raining for the last 2 weeks, but it is stopped. Now it's dry again and I want to go and do weeding before it rains again, because there is a sign it might rain again. As you can see, the clouds, yeah, there's a lot of gray clouds and that shows you it might rain. So that's where we are going. Let me show you. This is the jembe that I want to use. Yeah, one side is a fork jembe, the other side is a jembe. So this is very helpful. It's very helpful, because if you are if there is a lot of mud, you can use this side. You see the fork jembe. If there is no mud, you can use the jembe side. This is the tool. This is me now. I'm ready to go to farm. Yeah, let's go and let's see whether I'll make it today. It's not that big garden, but because I'm not used to it nowadays, I know it will take me a very long and tough time, because as I have said, it's not easy. Because if I don't weed this time, the vegetables might start not doing well. So I have to do it as soon as possible. Let me show you first. This is how it looks before we start. These are weeds, all of these, and I have to work on them. You see, this side is pumpkin, and for sure they are not doing well because I haven't been here weeding. I need to do weeding, and I'm sure it will help. See, this is before we do weeding. This is also pumpkin, and here we have, these are vegetables, but we didn't plant them, they just grew, but they are common vegetables. Here are sukuma wikis. This one is spinach, and this is how now the farm is. Let me show you from this side. These are the maize and beans. The one that I planted the other day, a maize bean. You see, they did really well. All those are maize and beans. What I know about the beans, I'm not sure how they will do, but for the maize, they will do better. I hope so. So let me set my phone there and start do weeding. hiyo kubwa utaweza. Ni ngumu huku. Ni kama kuchimba. Ni rahisi hivyo. Mwambie ashike asikie hiyo urahisi. Kuinua tu na kuachilia.
Haya. Le. Kika hata pia au lime. Ujue kama ni rahisi. Ya wewe. Wewe si unao ya kulima hiyo.
Tunaona sikaribie kwenye spinach huko. Kitingisha kama imetingika. Inaweza kauka. I'm already sweating. You see here, it's not an easy work. Already I'm sweating and we have to finish up to that side. The problem is This area, it's very dry. I don't know why. This soil, when the rain stops, it gets dry. I think it's a clay soil. It just get dry, and it even cracks. You see, everywhere is cracks. You see, the ground is cracking. That shows you how it's very, very hard even to do weed in here. And we have to finish up to that side. Yeah, it will take us maybe 40 minutes or 1 hour, and we'll be right there. Let's continue. Thacio ngire matharũ kũrĩa tũkĩrĩkia. Ongire o hau tũkĩthiĩte gũthiĩ. Na yu na acha nĩwe unakuja hapa sirimiyojia tena. Au ni soft muno gwĩka ũrĩa. Ndio inamaliza hii. This is the progress, you see, we are doing better. These are spinach. Wow, it's not an easy job, but at least we are doing good. Yeah, this is how we are done with the spinach. And now I want to weed these spring onions and these tomatoes. But I don't know what happened to these tomatoes. When it was raining, they were doing good, but right now, you see, I don't know whether it's a disease or maybe it's too much sun, and I don't know whether they will make it. This is dog. The work of dogs. You see, they have fruits, but I think the sun is too hot, or maybe that fog in the morning, it's the one that is affecting them. I want to weed here like this. This is grass. These are weeds here. Let me continue because I can see the weather is not that good. It's almost raining. On the other side there is rain, and here it's drizzling. So very soon I know it will rain. But let me weed for these spring onions on this side and these tomatoes. Yeah, I'll start from here. These are those. I'll take them later. Let me put them here. Since I don't have a gloves, I don't know where I kept it. I misplaced it, so I have to work with my bare hands, and they might, what is it called, kudunga. So let them stay there first. The rain is coming. I don't know whether we'll manage to finish right now before don't want to cut them. Yeah, these are weeds. They were too many. You see? Too many. Guys, it has started to rain and I have to come near. This is the wall, the one we were putting. It's very tall on this side. You see, this is the house, and this is the wall that the perimeter, let me call it the perimeter wall. This side, you see, it's very, very tall. It's raining. You see, I don't want my phone to be rained on. Yeah, so I'm just standing here for a few minutes, then I'll be back there to work. Yeah, you see, I'm sweating. Whew, farming is not easy. Yeah, weeding is not easy also, because but if I'm used to that, this was if it was earlier, this was a simple work for me, but since now it has been long time since I have done. The rain is raining on my camera, on my phone. Let me wipe this camera. Sorry for that, guys. It's clear now. As I'm telling you, it has been very long time since I did weeding, and that's why I'm getting tired a lot. So before these rains stop, it's just drizzling, not a heavy rain. Let me first, these are pumpkins. Yeah, all the way from that side, and they are now starting to come to this side of vegetables. These are pumpkin, you see. Another one here. You see, this is the edge here. I want to take these pumpkins to the other side because I don't want them to take, you know, pumpkins the way they are, they can end up coming all the way to this side. You see, another one here, another one from there, almost going to the neighbor side. You see, yeah. So let me take care of it. I want to take them to that side. Let me set my camera here. If I do that, let me just take them. I don't know whether I'll make them dry. Hazitakauka?
Yes.
Ziko na roots.
Sasa zinaitwa tedrings.
Tedrings. Ya hapa kuna nini? Let me take these weeds out. There are more weeds this side, so let me try to uproot them because I don't think I'll be able to weed here. I don't want to ruin them. Salimia watu. She is pretending to be shy, but in normal life she is not. Let me set this camera here and try to do this work faster. see, they are having something. I don't know what are they. They're like irritating my heart. You see? At least now they can go on this side and leave the vegetables alone. The sukuma wiki kills. You see, like this one is another kill here. I don't know how I'll protect it, because I have realized they are making the vegetables to look yellow. You see, like this spinach here, like this these kales here, they are making them to turn yellow. So let us continue do weeding. Yeah, as the day goes. Yeah, the rain has stopped already. Finally we are done. Yeah, we have done a very good job, and now we want to spray the water as early as now, because there is no that much heat from the sun. So let me show you. We started from here, but before I show you, see this area, we also planted some maize, but they didn't do better. Some came out, some never came out. I don't know what happened. You see? Yeah, but the other side, the maize are doing good, very marvelous. See? This is where you are doing weeding. The place is now good. These weeds, they were the one you are weeding here. You see? It's now looking good. These are spinach. On this side we have sukuma wiki kales. These are kales. Bunny. Bunny, bunny, bunny. This is sukuma wiki now. Yeah, we are done. Oh, and I'm so tired. Let me go and try to take that sprinkler so that we can what is that, Tracy? Hey, this is precious. Huh? Nadu? You're planting. What is that? But I told you should plant on the other side instead of planting here. Hmm?
Which side?
Do you know the name? These are bog. They are vegetables. Do you know the name?
Murenda.
Yeah, it's Murenda. But in English, I don't know. This is if this is the juicy melon, but I'm not sure. So this is your farm here?
Yes.
Precious. But people will step on them because this is where you are passing. And even the dogs. You have done this inside the yard there, where the garden is. You want to plant here? Huh?
My beans.
Your beans? Yeah, she is planting these vegetables here. But this is a weed. This is weeds you are planting. Ah, those are just weeds.
This.
Yeah. And this is managu. And earlier she had planted. These are beans. And they are doing well. Although this is where we are supposed to be passing and accessing this kitchen garden on this side. You see? So even dogs might step on them. Umezitoa wapi? Kwa barabara? Okay, you just continue planting. Continue planting. So guys, hii ni murenda. Naiona kwa barabara? Yeah, so guys, I have shown you the work of today, and that's the kitchen garden. But let's first take that sprinkler. Let's go and put it there so that we can do this irrigation. Yeah, that's how, because right now it's already dry. It's about 1 week without rain, and here that's long. The sun is too hot. 1 week without rain, they might end up drying, and I don't want that to happen to them, because we have put on our efforts. And again, these vegetables are the one we are consuming right now. So let me go back as we try to set this sprinkler. But I think there is sun. I don't know, is it wise to do irrigation when the sun is still hot? Is it wise? I don't know. This sprinkler is new because I was doing it manually using this. This is a water pipe I connected on the other side of the tub, but now we have this sprinkler. This is how it is. I hope it will work. We just bought it the other day and we want to try it today, but I think the sun is too hot. Don't you think?
No. Let's just spray and see
Okay.
so
this is how we have
the outcome.
So we have fixed it. This is the pipe. This is the pipe, and this is how we have fixed it. Now we will put it like this. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's how it works, but we will see, guys.
You are 20 more.
Yeah, we are trying to fix it.
Pause.
Tiko giraffe. So we are tying here so that the water won't come out. And I hope it will work. Let's see. These are those vegetables that I have shown you. They are just growing anywhere. And I think one of these days I'll come and get them. It's even on the other side of the road. There are so many. on the other side. I'll get them before they dry. You see, they're still here. They are here. And, we never planted them. They are just growing. Oh wow, it's working. You see? No more getting tired now. Wow. Hey, the water is hot.
This is a surprise.
Yeah, guys, it is working, you see.
Huh? Yeah.
We are trying to fix it. Yeah, that's the sprinkler. Just sprinkler. Inaitwa?
Sprinkler.
Sprinkler. Yeah. We are just trying to fix it here. Where?
With your plumber.
This is a piece of paper.
You don't want to say you have a plumber.
A plumber. A fake plumber here.
It's a plumber. You can hide on papers.
Yeah, but it will work. I already like it.
You know, you used to get so tired.
Yeah, it's not easy to spray the water using manually. Only this pipe all the way to the other side. It's not easy. But this one will make the work easier. Hey! Let me just put this side. That's how it's working, you see? Yeah, and the water is coming up to this side. Let me show you. See? The water is coming up to here. Yeah, but I think it's very wise if I buy 2 of them. They'll make my work easier. But at least with this one also, already it's making my work easier because, guys, studying and walking all this, it's not a big garden, but walking all this land and spraying every day, even in evening, it's not easy work. It's not easy. So at least I thank God. The job now is halfway done. Yeah, you see, I used to say I will buy this thing, but we never bought it. This is the first one and it's working. Yeah, so I will leave it there for now. I will leave it there, and after about maybe 5 minutes, is it 5 or 10? Let me give it at least 15 minutes. I will be back. Then I will change it to another position. Then after another maybe 15 minutes, when the water is enough there, I'll go again and change to another location. And that's how, maybe after changing 4 times, I'll be done. So that's why I think I might buy another one to have 2 of them. They will work much better because we have done it earlier today. Because when it is during the late hours, many people allowed this village use water to do irrigation. So many people will be spraying their vegetables also in their yards. And the water here, this is where we have connected that type direct from the tap. The water will go low. The speed will be at a lower speed, and it will not work better than right now. So guys, I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much if you have reached up to this point. Thank you so much. Thank you again. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, kindly consider subscribing, liking my video, commenting. Yeah, just leave me a sweet comment. I love those comments, guys. So that is it for today. Thank you, and see you on the next video.